In match problem 4, we're curious how long will it take money to triple. Again, I've got a couple of typos in here. How long will it take money to triple if it's invested at 5.5% compounded continuously? So the first thing you might notice is that we're not given nearly as much information in this problem as we have been in the last few examples. For instance, we don't know what the principal amount invested is. We're not given a specific dollar amount for that final value. So we have to sort of infer some values here. All we know is that we want our final amount to be triple whatever our original investment is. So if we originally invest some value P, we want that final amount to be triple that. E to the 0.055 times T. So we know that the original investment is some value P. We're not given a specific dollar amount, so this is really technically true for any initial investment. And what we want is for this initial investment to triple. So if we want P to triple, that's just 3 times P. And the same idea would apply if we wanted this to double, that would be 2 times P. If we wanted to quadruple, this would be 4 times P, whatever that initial investment was. So we don't have an actual dollar amount for the initial investment or final amount, just that we're investing some amount and we want it to triple. So we can start by dividing both sides by P, which will give us 3 equals e to the 0.05t. Then we can take the natural log of both sides. To get the natural log of 3 equals 0.05t times the natural log of e, which is just 1. Dividing both sides by 0.05 gives us the natural log of 3 divided by 0.05. Oh, and I was leaving out a digit there. I'm sorry, let's go back. That should be, in each of these cases, 0.055. I wasn't being quite specific enough with those interest rates. So it should actually be 5.5%, so 0.055. So the natural log of 3 divided by 0.055 is going to be a little less than 20 years, about 19.97. So in about 20 years, this initial investment at a 5.5% interest rate will have tripled. And again, keep in mind this is true for any initial investment since we didn't include an initial value here. So whether we invested $100, $1,000, $10,000 at this interest rate, it'll always take about 20 years for that investment to triple.